بریم از اول بخونیم. Getting up in the morning.
Getting up in the morning is hard, but for many people, music seems to help them start the day. There is actually a list of perfect wake-up songs compiled by a psychologist David M. Greenberg, using data from the music download website Spotify. When choosing the perfect wake-up songs, Greenberg considered things like how the music builds up, positive lyrics and strong
rhythm.
Yes,
Rhythm.
and strong
Rhythm.
Rhythm.
Yes.
He says that the music needs to start gently and then slowly build up to help people to wake up. It must have positive lyrics to change people's mood from bad to good.
Yes.
The rhythm also needs to be strong with a lot of bass and drums.
Yes.
Greenberg's top choice of song is Viva la Vida by Coldplay. Coldplay, which has all the three necessary elements. Science.
Yes.
Science shows that music affects us in all kinds of ways, including emotionally, psychologically,
yes,
and in the brain. He says the right music like Viva la Vida with its positive energy and a strong momentum.
لحظات قوی.
Yes. Can help you wake up and feel energetic.
Yes.
For the rest of your day.
So, getting up in the morning is hard. Getting up in the morning is hard. So, منو داری دیگه.
Yes, I have.
But for many people, music seems to help them start the day. Do you like to listen to music in the morning? Yes.
Yeah, I actually I listen to music every day. And morning and evening. You need evening later. بعد از later work.
After work.
Sometimes, yes, after work. Sometimes I'm listening to music at home.
Sometimes. So you do not listen at in the morning, yes?
Please repeat.
You do not listen to music in the morning.
No, I listening to music every morning,
Every morning.
but
Wow.
not to home.
Mhm.
I listening to music to way در مسیر.
On the way. On the
To
way.
way on the way
Yes.
and on train.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Uh, I mean your
That's
I mean
okay. That's okay. That's okay. So there is actually a list of perfect wake-up songs compiled by a psychologist. یعنی جمع‌آوری شده توسط کی compiled یعنی جمع‌آوری شده توسط روانشناس دیوید ام گرینبرگ using data from the music download website Spotify. When choosing the perfect wake-up songs, Greenberg considered things like how the music builds up. میگه وقتی که انتخاب میکنی پرفکت یعنی در واقع آهنگ wake up رو considered things like how the music builds up در واقع در نظر میگیری که چطور این میوزیک تو رو میسازه positive lyrics and a strong rhythm ترانه مثبت ترانه‌ای که انرژی داره و ریتم قوی. He says that the music needs to start gently and then slowly build up to help people to wake up. در واقع باعث میشه که در واقع زودتر مردم بلند شن. Wake up. It must have positive lyrics to change people's mood from bad to good. تغییرشون میده رفتارشون و مودشون رو از حالت بد به خوب. The rhythm also needs to be strong with a lot of bass and drums. Greenberg's top choice of a song is Viva La Vida by Coldplay, which has all the three necessary elements. هر سه تا مورد مشخص که ما گفتیم و داشت. Science علم shows that music affects یعنی تأثیر گذاشتن affects us in all kinds of ways, including emotionally, احساسی, psychologically, روانشناسانه, and in the brain, در مغز ما. He says the right music like Viva La Vida with its positive energy با انرژی مثبت and strong momentum یعنی یعنی لحظات قوی can help you wake up and feel energetic for the rest of your day. خب, we want to answer the questions in part B. You can see right here. خب.
Okay.
Number 1. Dr. Greenberg's list comes from information from the internet, Spotify. One of the things Dr. Greenberg doesn't say is important in the song is one of the things that Dr. Green یه چیزی که مهمی که دکتر گرین نگفته is important in the song is the singer. I think the thinker چون این دوتایی که گفته lyrics و instrument رو اشاره کرده. He says that waking up can help most people feel good all day. He says that waking up to the right music can help most people feel good all day and doesn't have a wake-up song. Sandy?
Nothing to this land.
Right here. So we have got these kind of people. Mine is definitely say a little prayer by Aretha Franklin. I always play it first things in the morning. Sandy میگم. Or for example, so that doesn't have a wake-up song. So it Sandy داشته. I like getting up to a song by Imagine Dragons called On the Top of the World. I think it is Dr. Chris Cryan. Yes, I hate listening to music. It is Martin that he hates listening to music when he wakes up. He prefers listening to the early morning news. Then he can start the day knowing what's happening in the world. مارتینه که در واقع گوش نمیده. اوکی.
نمیده.
بریم سراغ پارت بعدی. 7A selfies, simple past. B was over. You know them. Actually, we just want to look at it very fast, but we have got the listening part. That is Van Gogh. You can see that he is Van Gogh, and we want to listen to this part 7.5 and check our answers. He was born in کجا؟ Netherlands. His parents weren't. و بقیه. بریم گوش کنیم.
Okay.
Just a sec, please. Just a sec, please. I don't know what's wrong with my computer. By the way. Okay, great. I don't know what's wrong with it. By the way, we just want to do the grammar part first. After that, we do the listening part. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with it. By the way. Okay, great. First of all, listening part, grammar part. Go to page 136. Go to page 136. صفحه 136.
Okay.
Okay, that is simple past of B was over. We use was were to talk about the past. We often use was were with past simple expressions. Yesterday, last night, in 2004. ببین فقط درباره was over صحبت کرده فعلا این قسمت که خیلی ساده است. حتی سوالیش هم ما میدونیم چجوری سوالی میشه. قبلا درباره‌اش خیلی صحبت کردیم و گفتیم که با اسم میاد و فعل ها به شکل دیگه ای سوالی میشن. بریم تمرینش رو انجام بدیم. next page 137 صفحه 137 بریم. That is simple present. We did that. Please
present.
Simple past. خب اینم که گفته شده. 7A. My father's at work. My father was at work. اینا رو باید از حالت فرمت در واقع کانترکشنش باید بیاریم به حالت ساده. She is
My
at
father
home.
at work.
Yes.
My father was at work. Okay. She's at home today.
She was.
Yes, she was at home.
Today.
She was at home. Where are you now? Where did you? Where was?
ما فقط was over داریم میگه اینجا فقط. Where were you now?
Where were you now? I'm in Tokyo.
Where were you? بعدی.
Where were you? I'm in Tokyo. I was in Tokyo.
Yes, next one.
Where was? Is it hot today? Saliye. Is it hot today?
Was it hot today دیگه؟ درسته؟
Yeah, was it hot today? امروز گرم بود. It isn't open now. It wasn't.
میگیم چی باید بگیم دیگه؟ میگیم که it wasn't دیگه.
It isn't open now. خب it wasn't open. They aren't in the office. They aren't میشه were aren't in the office.
منفی میشه دیگه. اینو فقط میخوایم تغییرش بدیم به was over. جمله تغییر
Was over.
میشه they weren't in the office.
They weren't on. Where? They weren't. Yes. Where in Lima now? In Lima. Was.
We were. Was چرا؟
Where?
We were.
Where in Lima?
بله بعدی.
They're tired. Was.
چرا was؟
جمع. Where جمع اینا. We're tired. We aren't late. We weren't late. Where?
We weren't late.
Yeah, we weren't late yet. I'm not at a school. I was at a school.
I was. مگه منفی نیست. I wasn't at a school دیگه. درسته؟
I was at a school.
I wasn't at a school. I was not at a school. درسته دیگه؟ ام بوده میشه was.
Yes.
خب ببینیم
من چیز دیگه گفتم؟
شما گفتی I weren't. ببینیم بعدی.
Okay. Were you
and Charlie at the concert last night? Yes.
we میگه اونجا هستید میگه آره هستیم. Yes we are.
چرا we are؟ میگه بودن گذشته است.
Yes we weren't. Where?
چرا weren't؟ مگه yes نیومده؟ چرا باید منفی باشه؟
Yes we was میشه دیگه الان اینطوری.
چرا باید was باشه؟ مگه
be over مگه
فکر کنم یادت رفته اسماعیل. آره ببین you we they با were می اومد. I
you we
با was می اومد.
حالا این we were سوالیه دیگه. yes we were.
نه دیگه سوالی نیست که جوابو داریم میگیم yes. بعد از yes که میاریم جوابش چجوری میشه؟ میگه آیا شما و چارلی شب پیش کنسرت بودین؟ میگه yes we were بودیم. بعدی چی؟
من ور میگم مگه ور گفتم مگه اشتباه بود؟
شما گفتی are.
نه استاد گفتم ور آخری رو.
من شنیدم وار و ور. یه یونه آر شنیدم.
نه ور گفتم.
خواهی میکنم. بعدی نمبر 2
این میشه Was it good?
Was it good؟ بله دیگه. بعدی
Yes. It is.
چرا it is؟
No, excuse me, no, it was نبود.
was نبود چیه؟ نه منفی دیگه چجوری؟
No, it wasn't.
آها
Okay.
درسته.
The singer
آها
terrible.
the singer
weren't terrible.
the singer چرا weren't بشه؟
The singer wasn't terrible.
yes
terrible چی میشه معنیش؟
terrible میشه وحشتناک، به درد نخور، افتضاح.
The tickets expensive. Was the tickets
چرا
was خب میگه این گرانه، میگه گرون بود.
نه دقت کن به جملت.
The tickets جمع چیزش excuse me. Were the tickets expensive?
بله.
Yes, they weren't.
چرا they weren't منفی شد؟
Yes, they were.
آره دیگه.
من مشکل دارم خیلی.
به خاطر اینکه ریدینگت کمه. ریدینگت کمه آقایه. چون بارها گفتم شورت استوری رو بخر.
شورت استوری خریدم اتفاقا میخونم. حالا بعد جلسه بعد بهتون یکم توضیح بدم، گفتم 5 صفحه بخونید و اینا.
آره دیگه خیلی مدام هی تکرار بشه. بله.
درست. Where were your mother born?
نه دیگه چرا were your mother.
خب where was که
where was your mother born. your mother چه she نمیگه you که میگه your mother.
your mother born. She was born in Argentina. In Argentina in 1955. Argentina. این چون جمعه میشه وره باید بشه دیگه، چون جمعه دیگه.
وره دیگه. بله دیگه.
Were her parents Argentinian?
بله.
No, they weren't.
بله.
Wasn't. They weren't. No, they weren't. Her father was German and her mother was from Italy.
بسیار عالی. خب بذارین من ببینم که یکم اینجا شما ضعف داری. بذارین من تو این قسمت بیارمش، چون که توقع نداشتم به این شکل باشه. خیلی باید ریدینگ خونی ها، یعنی هر روز شبانه روز برای اینکه بخوای به اون 6 ماه برسی. بله
میدونم، ولی واقعیتش استاد یعنی اصلا حجم خستگی و حجم کاری یه جوریه که اصلا دوست دارم انجام بدم ولی
تایم 6 ماه دیگه بری. اگه نمیخوای 6 ماه دیگه بری
من بعدرم تا چیز پریه اول باید بره، بعد اینکه پریه رفت 6 ماه بعدش تقریبا من میرم. ولی خب باید تلاشمون بکنم دیگه. ولی خب یه جوریه که واقعا مثلا شاید مثلا الان حجم خستگیمو شاید اگه ببینه متوجه میشه. الان پشت گوشی زیاد مثلا اونطوری خودشون نشون نمیده.
من واقعا متوجه متوجه هستم. ولی اگر مطمئنی که 6 ماه دیگه میخوای بری باید یه برنامه ریزی بکنی دیگه. نمیدونم ولی این
من تایمش مشخص است دیگه، یا 6 ماهه یا 1 سال. موضوع اینه که یه ذره اصلا مشخص نیست.
خب بریم ببینیم این چی میگیم. اینو بگیم ببینیم اینو تمرین انجام بده ببینم.
باش. My son was short in school, but now he is tall. میگه کجا بودی؟ was you no were you at the studio yesterday? Yes, I was. Yesterday Philip and Emma were in London. Today they are in Paris. Sarah and I were at home that night, and you was with us. Were جمع بود. Were with us. Yesterday we were late for the concert, and today I was late for and today I am late for class. Asim was born in Egypt, and I was born in Birmingham. Why not? میشه was you excited about the try؟ و الان اینجا you مثلا به شخص اولش به مثلا به شما اشاره میکنه، تو جمله بعدش به جمع اشاره میکنه.
اصلا اشاره نیست چون you اومده دیگه مشخصا باید با verb بیاد.
Were you excited about the trip? Yes, trip. سفر. Trip. Yes, we were very excited. Kate angry yesterday? Was Kate angry yesterday after the meeting? No, but I think she was. No, but I think she is angry now. Were you at the beach? Were you at the beach last Sunday? Yes, I was. The weather was nice today, but
The weather was nice
today.
Or is nice.
No, today no. No, is nice. Excuse me. Yes, is nice. Went back today. Is nice today, but last weekend. But it was horrible last weekend.
بله. خب بریم سراغ در واقع یک گرامر دیگه که خیلی معروفه و اونم سیمپل پاست و رگولار و ایرگولار هاست. یادتی که رگولار ها چی بودن؟ فعلایی بودن که فقط ایدی میگرفتن. یادت هست؟
ایدی برای گذشته چیز میشد دیگه.
مثل watched، مثل arrived، مثل worked و اینها در واقع اکشن هایی که بودن که در گذشته یک بار اتفاق افتادن و تمام شدن. finish actions more than once in the past. پس ما دو حالت داریم. میگه ما با دو حالت، ببین با دو حالت سیمپل پاست رو استفاده میکنیم. یک بار این اکشن ما تموم شده، یک بار برای گذشته و تمام خلاص. میگیم اکشن ما برای دومی اکشن ما تموم شده و اتفاقش بیشتر از یک بار بوده در گذشته. پس به دو حالت
تکرار
بله به دو حالت میتونیم بیاریم. فرمت
من دو حالت چجوری تفکیک کنیم مثلا چیزشو
بر اساس اون موقعیت و با سیچویشنی که قرار گرفتی باید انتقال بدی اینو دیگه. حالا نگاه میکنیم ببینیم ما کانترکشن دیدنت ما چیزی رو معنی نمیتونیم بکنیم به فارسی. بعد verbs in the past plus and ending in ed. Simple past the same for all persons مثل I, you, she و اینا رو داره اشاره میکنه. من میخوام اینا رو سریع بگذارم چون اینا رو قبلا گفتم و تکرار مکرراته. و we use did and didn't برای اینکه حالا بخوایم منفی کنیم و سوالی بکنیم. با did میاد دیگه. did you, did she, did we, did they اینا هیچ موقع تغییر نمیکنه. تو حالت سوالی به همین شکل میان. خب بریم یه تمرینش رو یه نگاه بندازیم بهش. تمرین 7B میگه که we watch TV. ما فقط باید سیمپل پاستش کنیم. سیمپل پرزنت باید سیمپل پاستش کنیم.
We watched TV yesterday evening. I study English. I study English. Study ایدی میشد دیگه اینم. I studied at school. Do you listen to the news? Do you listen هم این میگیره براش؟
Do you listen to the news؟ ایدی نمیگیره که موقع که do you داری. این سوالی آقا اسماعیل. سوالی چجوری تو حالت گذشته میکردیم؟
Did you listen to the news yesterday? Yes. He doesn't cook and he doesn't cooked last night. cook فکر کنم ایدی میگیره دیگه این. ولی doesn't نباید. doesn't
تغییر میکنه.
هم میخواستم همون بگم. هم doesn't تغییر میکنه دیگه. he cooked
تغییر نمیکنه. تو فرمت منفی ما هیچ موقع فعل ما که تغییر نمیکنه که. به خاطر اینکه didn't میاریم دیگه. میگیم he didn't cook last night. وقتی که didn't نباشه ما ایدی میذاریم.
وقتی که didn't نباشه. اوکی.
بعدی یادت رفته با بعدی
Does she play a sport? College. Does she play a sport in college? الان خود همین does she دوباره اینجا تکرار میشه فکر کنم.
نه دیگه مگه تغییر نمیکنه سوالی آقا اسماعیل؟
سوالیش خب الان میشه did she play
sports in college. بعدی.
They work late last week. They worked late last week.
بعدی.
She travels a lot. travels اینجا دوباره
travel چی میشه اینجا الان؟ travel ایدی
آه،
میگیره دیگه، میشه traveled.
traveled. She traveled a lot in 2018.
2018 or 2018. بله بعدی.
Yes. Jack works in New York. Jack works in New York. گذشته Jack worked
in New York 5 years ago. بعدی.
I call my parents every day. I called my parents yesterday.
بله.
We don't live in France. We 10 years old. We lived in France 10 years.
منفیشو باید بکن. منفی شده، بعد منفیش هم تو حالت گذشته به همون شکل باشه، تغییری جمله نمیکنه.
Don't, yes. We doesn't live.
چرا we doesn't مگه
تغییر
present نیست؟
we didn't, excuse me.
We
didn't live in France
10 years ago.
10 years.
بعدی.
Anna asks a lot of questions. Anna asked این ایدی میگیره فکر کنم یادمه.
Anna asked. بله.
Yes. Anna asked a lot of at the meeting.
Anna asked a lot of questions at the meeting دیگه.
Questions at the meeting.
بعدی بریم سراغ قسمت بعدی، پارت بی میشه we finished work late yesterday و نمبر 1 میشه چی؟
We finished work last yesterday.
از اون بالایی
I not called.
چرا I am not called؟ ما دیگه اصلا اما ایزا رو اینجا که نمیاریم که بزرگ.
I called. باخه
I called my mother on her birthday. بله میشه.
I called my
برای اینجا منفیه، میگیم I didn't call my mother on her birthday.
I didn't.
The movie was very sad. اینجا باید سوالی بسازی.
Yes. The movie was very sad. میشه با خود واز میشه سوالش دیگه، اینو یادم.
دیگه ما گفتیم دیگه اینجا
Didn't.
ما دید میاد. Did you cry؟ فقط با دید میاد. سوالی با دید، منفی با didn't و جمله مثبت ورب ما ایدی میگیره. Number 3.
قاطی کردم.
چرا؟
My brother. نه سوال چیزی رو قاطی کردم، یه لحظه استاد. My brother My brother played video games all day yesterday.
بله 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 بعدی.
حالا این آی حالا کلمات بالا هستن اینجا نمیتونم هیچ کدوم استفاده کنم که
نمیتونم استفاده کنی.
این نوشته to the news this morning.
میگم
آها فهمیدم. I گوش میدادم. I listen.
واقعا منفیه دیگه میشه
I did listen
نه I did
to the news.
منفیه آقا اسماعیل. منفی چجوری میکردیم؟
Doesn't.
چرا doesn't که برای simple present آقا اسماعیل. این didn't. I didn't listen.
I didn't
listen to the news this morning. Number 5. میگه این سوالیه.
سارا مارتین.
اولین فرمت چیزی که باید بذاریم اولش جمله چیه؟ اول سوالی دیده. دید باید بذاریم. Did Sarah
dance with Martin at the party?
بعدی
والا اینجا
میگه رزرو کردن میشه کدوم آقا اسماعیل؟ رزرو بخوای بکنی یه جایی ما تو کانورسیشن اوایل داشتیم.
آره ولی تو این کلمه‌ای که بالا کدومش به رزرو اشاره میکنه؟ نمیشه.
همه رو آوردی جز بوکو.
الان بوک به رزرو کردن اشاره میکنه؟
بله. وقتی که میگی وی بوکت ما داشتیم تو کانورسیشن هتل دیگه برای شما. وی بوکت our hotel rooms online.
اوکی.
آقا اسماعیل یکم تمرین بیشتر کن خواهشم که به اون چیزی که میخوایم برسیم. من اینا رو که خیلی قبلا گفتم دیگه نمیخوام برگردم. بالا بازوان تمرین میکنیم ولی خواهشن روزایی که تعطیلی مثلا پنجشنبه جمعه فوکست رو روی همین کتابا بذار. گرامر انگلیس رو بگیر شروع کن. شورت استوری وقت تو این هم حدود بذار که بتونی به اونی که میخوای برسی. Thank you so much and have a great time. خواهش میکنم. مرسی. Have a good time. Bye.